Hello! Welcome to Hotel Montesilio. This is the celebration of the 60th birthday of Joshua. Joshua, what can you say? Happy?
Good.
Happy ka? Happy? Joshua, are you happy? Happy? Are you happy? Oh, wave ka, wave ka. Hello, sabi mo. Oh, come on. Okay. Then we'll go to our room. Joshua, what's the number of our room? Can you read? What's the number?
308.
307. Can we not? Where's our key? Here is our room. Oh, so nice. Okay, let's sit down, Joshua. Okay, here's our bed. And then the bed of Joshua. Go there. That's your bed. Bed of Joshua and Jensen. Yay! We have a TV. We have a ref. And then this is our restroom. Wow! Yeah, this is our amenities. This is where we will take a bath. Hello! And then, other side,
Ilan ba to? Dalawa ba to?
here.
Hiwala yung
Yes.
shower sa kayo.
Okay. So that's it. We have also our slippers. Where's our bathrobe? Oh, we have safe. We have 1, 2, 3 bathrobe for later swimming. And then the safe. Wow. I like it. Thank you.
Hello Joshua! Where are you? Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka ngayon? Hotel? Montesilio. Nandito si Joshua ngayon sa Hotel Montesilio. At nag-enjoy siya dahil ito yung pinapangarap niyang hotel ng matagal na gusto niyang puntahan. Nandito kami ngayon nag-staycation. Ayun ang view namin sa labas. Yan po. Ayan yung mga ano. Ayan, si Joshua. Masaya na siya. Are you happy? Happy ka? Happy. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye.
Hello, we're about to swim na. Joshua, swimming? 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 Ano? Mongolian dinner. 749.
Wala bang lilim yan?
Wala.
Ang pangit naman ng pwesto nito. Sa maaraw po.
Ayun doon, banda doon.
Sa balat.
Ayan o, may tao doon sa
Joshua, birthday. Tingin ka doon. Abot mo.
Sagi eh.
Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko nga naalala kung bakit ko nasagi. Paano ko nasagi?
Pabayaan mo naman galangin.
Masya. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Hotel Montecillo. This is the hot spring pool. And together here with me is Joshua Espada, the birthday celebrant,
Really?
and Jennifer Espada is missing because of her mangoes.
For the record.
Huh?
Wala bang hagdanan to?
Doon sa kabilang dulo. Doon sa kabilang dulo. Yung kay Joshua na yan. Ay, kay Jensen.
Joshua, swimming tayo, ganun. Ganun ka. Ganun. O, tapos ganun ka. Throw mo yan, ball!
Bilis, throw.
Yeah!
Yan. Ato na.
O, throw mo kay Kuya yung ball!
Ayan. Very good ah. Galing mag...
Throw, Kuya! O, papa-crunch ka muna. Akin na yung busy na natin. No, yung Jensen, abot mo nga yung tasa. Hello, good morning. We're still here in City Hotel for buffet breakfast. This is food.